Huh?
I don't think so.
You don't think so what? You don't think so what? Ooh, Sonic. You like Sonic Boom or Sonic Dash?
Evan&TakeruTV.
What's your favorite one?
Sonic Boom?
Yeah, you really like Sonic Boom, huh? You gotta be careful how you hold this. Right. Hold it like that.
Okay.
Be careful of the cord. Play. Hey, read that.
Special event. Win channel. Try him out now for free.
Play now with Shadow. Destroy 2,500. 2,500.
2,500
miles. Okay.
Destroy it.
What do you do next? Play here? Go back.
Almost.
Reward. Okay, how do we play?
Go back. We get silver prize.
Silver prize.
Run. That's one.
Sonic Dash. Sonic Boom. Get Dr.
Amen.
Collect 3 power-ups in 1 run. Get the crabs. Left. Right, left. Jump. Spin tack. Jump. Spin tack. Left. Right.
Woo.
Jump. Oh,
We not jump.
you didn't jump. What
Jump.
did you do?
Slide, jump. Slide,
Yeah.
jump. Oh, nice shot. That was a nice shot.
That was a nice one.
Right.
No, you went left.
We left.
Or maybe on the screen it'll be right. So
Why did you?
it's like you should choose. Who do you want to choose?
Yeah.
Oh, let's read it. Sonic.
Ring bang with dashing.
Aim.
Oh wait, let's keep it.
We'll just keep it.
What?
Ooh, jump. Or no, not jump.
Jump, duck, jump, ow. I boom it. No, ooh, ow.
Oh.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see a duck again. I see it.
Keep going. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, Dr. Eggman.
Dr. Eggman. You think, does Dr. Eggman eat a lot of eggs? Is that why his belly's so big? Revive. Alright, come on. Come on. I'm running out of coins. Or red rings. Jump.
No. Fucking danger.
Oh, okay, no more revive. No thanks. How far did you get? How many points did you get? 10,990.
Let's try Evan.
Ah, I'm really bad.
Oh, climb players. Oh, 200 wins and 3 eggs.
Really? Wow, 200 rings.
Hang on.
Okay, next.
Oh, yes, we on level 5.
Your global multiplier has increased.
Yes.
Level up.
You got plus.
What does that say?
Congratulations.
Your global score
Global score, bob your hand.
has increased.
Increase it. Yes.
Not increased it. Increased.
Yeah, high five.
Yay, high five.
What is it? What's that? Fire Heroes.
I don't want to play.
Super.
Run. Sonic Dash, Sonic Boom.
Go, Evan.
Yay.
You can do this. Score it. What? How many points? Go. Boom.
Okay.
Boom.
What is that? Spin attack. Spin attack. Spin attack.
Emily.
Right. Jump. Jump. Get the coins. Jump. Left.
No, rings.
Spin attack.
Not coins.
Oh, yeah. It's not Mario, right? Mario Janai. Jump.
It's coin.
I'm sorry, you're right. It's rings. Get the rings. Jump and get the rings. Go to the left, jump.
And dash power.
Go to the right. How do you do dash power? I'm going to the left.
54 rings banked.
Banked.
Oh my gosh,
Amy, when dashing,
your hammer.
turn.
Turn the enemy's obstacles into rings.
Ooh, cool. And obstacles.
Oh, let's try that. Oh, yes.
Amy.
Hammer.
So I can turn obstacles into rings too when dashing.
Let's go.
How do you dash? Jump.
Dash is like blue dots.
Blue dots to make the dash gauge go up. You collect blue dots. Oh,
You're so
Left.
close.
jump,
You killed
jump,
the enemy.
left, jump,
Oh,
Right.
nice.
jump. There we go. Red ring, left.
Ooh, it's so speed.
Lots of speed.
Yes,
Lots of speed.
Lots of speed. Ooh, you got hurt.
I got hurt.
No.
Robot bees.
Robot bees. Oh my gosh, what is it?
Ooh,
Oh,
I'm
you
dead.
died.
Oh, okay. Let's keep going. Robot bees. Oh
Robot.
no.
He's shocking.
They're shocking. What are these robot crabs? Robot crabs.
He's dancing. See?
They're
Dancing.
dancing.
Yeah.
They look like they didn't jump. Oh,
You're so only.
jump.
only.
I'm not very good at runners. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Let's keep going. Oh.
Ooh, ooh.
It's a jumping.
No thanks.
He's jumping. Then he jumping like I died.
And should we play another game?
Oh, your ball climb prize.
Should we play another game? Or should we play the same game? Same game.
Sonic Dash.
Fever? Sonic Dash.
Which?
Let's play Sonic Dash.
Okay.
You first. Hard light.
Highlight.
Hard light. Sonic Dash. Loading, please wait. Loading. Please wait. What did you do today? What did you do today?
I got 5.
Use.
Use what? What's it? No. Choose it.
I think it says recommended option. Sonic Dash. You can only play as
Sonic.
only Sonic. Watch video to double rings. Mission: visit a loop or corkscrew. These robot crabs are different, huh? Jump.
You get 28 red rings.
I have 28 red rings. I have 28 red rings. How many red rings do I have?
28 red rings. 1,000 meters.
1,000 what?
1,000 meters.
Is that the score or is it how far?
Oh, just
Down.
oh
Oh, you just missed it.
ring.
The sun's going down.
Oh, I got a puzzle piece
Puzzle piece. What's the puzzle for?
for Sonic Boom puzzle piece.
What happens when you get a lot of puzzle pieces?
And to get complete all of them. What?
Get it, yay. Oh, he died. Save Sonic. My turn.
Yes, here we go.
Banking rainbow.
2. Left. Down. Up. Oh.
Right.
Oh. Yes, we did it, Evan.
We did it. Where are we now?
In to, I don't know.
Very sorry. How do what?
No.
Say sorry. I have no red rings now.
Oh my God.
I see. I'm so horrible. I'm so horrible at running games.
What?
Oh well.
What?
Wait, how many meters? Total distance, 34,000 meters.
I can almost there. Almost there.
Almost there.
Oh my goodness, nice score. Nice score. What? And that one almost tried? No.
You don't want to play war games where they're shooting, right? You don't want to play that game.
So it's fun rings go next week.
Daily reward. Missions. How many missions have you done? What mission are you on?
Oh, there's daily spin.
Daily spin.
Yeah.
You got speed boots.
Speed boots.
Speed boots. Look at upgrades. What's upgrades? What upgrades are there?
Upgrades. Anything.
They cost rings. Oh, what do you get? You can get a bunch of upgrades, right? Like that. And that. And a shield. Alright, let's try and play now. Home button. And play.
Here we go.
Here we go. What would you add boosters?
Oopsie.
Oh well.
Oopsie daisy.
Look, get a red star. We need red. It's like a red ring star. Red ring star. Ringo Star.
Oh yeah.
Get the ring.
Jump. No. No. Oh yeah. No one ever see. Oh.
You just ran into the spikes. Watch out for spikes.
Oh yeah. Puzzle piece again. Thankfully, no.
Up. Down. And you got 100 rings. How many rings did you get?
100 rings.
Alright, jump. Ooh, whoa. You boost dash or something? So fast.
Yeah, I can boost jump.
Oh, so you activate a boost.
Woo! I could.
How did you do that?
I got third puzzle piece. I got third puzzle piece.
Third puzzle piece?
Oh,
The last puzzle piece. You got all the puzzle pieces for this level. Oh. Did it hurt?
Yeah, I know.
Here.
Yes, save. We can save. Oh. Woo!
Do your best.
And bank two. Boing.
Down. Up. Right.
Yes.
10 rings. Okay.
Okay.
You can do it.
Jump. Oh, I found
In the water.
I found.
Save Sonic.
Oh, it's not here. No. What? I'm so fast, I'm killing you. No. Yes.
Jump.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Jump. Jump. Ooh, 25 rings. Banking bonus. It's morning again. The sun came up.
Yeah. Yes.
10 rings.
Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, the boss.
What is that?
Zaz.
That-
Boss battle.
What's that?
I don't know what that is.
Dodge
Dodge the stars.
Oh
Supposed
my.
to dodge them. Are there enough rings? Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. How many meters? Say 38,000. I couldn't read it.
Oh my gosh, what is that? 100.
50,571. Wait, say 50,000.
50,000.
571.
Yes, we got high score.
High score.
And brings
Candy Crush. No, thank you. Where's the X at?